Hello, parents and guardians. Welcome to the open house for Math 7 Team P. My name is Mrs. Spiro, and with me we have Mrs. Kilkenny. So you want to say hi?
Hello. Hi, everyone. My name is Miss Kilkenny.
And we're going to tell you a little bit about our classroom. So unfortunately, we can't have you here. We would love to, but here's what our classroom looks like. You can see the kids sit in groups at tables, and we have a smart board, and we love to use the whiteboards too. I'll give you a little background about myself. My name's Mrs. Spiro. I've been teaching geometry at Harrison High School for the past 2 years. But before I taught in Harrison, I taught 6th, 7th, 8th grade mathematics and Common Core algebra in Malvern and in the city. I'm dual certified in math and special education, and I'll be starting the year with Miss Kilkenny, but I have to take a few months leave because my husband and I are having our first baby soon.
And then I can talk a little bit about myself. So again, my name is Miss Kilkenny, and I will be the leave replacement while Mrs. Spiro is out. So I will be teaching the first part of the school year. I went and got my undergraduate degree at Marist College, where I received my Bachelor of Arts in Psychology and Education, and I'm as well dual certified in General Ed and Special Education. I'm currently at Hunter College in the city, finishing up my master's degree, studying to become an elementary math specialist. Last year, I taught both 6th grade and the advanced 6th grade curriculum at Pearl River in the middle school, Pearl River Middle School. And I am excited. This is my first year within the Harrison School District and at LMK, and I'm excited to join the Harrison community this year, and I cannot wait to meet you all. So a little bit more about our team. We have two special education teachers. So Mrs. Lori is our Math 7 Section 2 teacher, and Mrs. Hanson we have in Section 4. So we work as a team to support special education and general education students. So this includes some things that as a group, as a team, these teachers will provide checking in for understanding, keeping students on track with note taking, and providing various accommodations to our students. So about the course, so Math 7, we're gonna cover about 6 different topics throughout the school year. So those topics for our curriculum include probability and statistics, which we will begin with at the beginning of the year, proportional relationships, the number system, algebra, geometry, and exponents. Talking about what the students will need when they come prepared to class every day. They are going to need their binder that they can share with science. So it's a math and science binder, pencil with eraser, different colored ink pens, a highlighter, a device, as well as a TI 34 multi-view calculator.
And the device is very important. We are a BYOD school. And so for Google Classroom, we post a lot of assignments for the students, and there's some resources we use. We use the websites like Desmos and GoFormative, and sometimes we just post class notes up there and polls. So we use Google Classroom a lot in our classes, and also kids might be using Google Classroom at home to access any at-home work. We have another Google Classroom page that's very important the students are in. It's called the Team P Google Classroom page, and that's where they'll get all their announcements about school events and things that they need to know LMK-wise.
So regarding grading, so for Math 7, the student's grade is determined by the total points that they earned for the assignments, combined divided by the total possible points for a quarter. So the students will obtain points from these following assessments. It could be exams, quizzes, projects, performance tests, homework assignments that were selected, and activities as well. And then moving on to extra help. So if students need extra clarification on something, or a student wants to review something additionally with one of the teachers, they can attend our extra helps. So they are going to be in the classroom, room 107, where they come for math class. So my extra helps will be in the mornings on Friday from 7:20 to 7:50, as well as after school from 2:45 to 3:30 on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And students who have Mrs. Hanson and Mrs. Laurie as their special education teachers can also come in addition to extra help with them, or if any other student needs to come, they can come for Mrs. Hanson in the morning, 7:20 to 7:50 on Wednesdays and Fridays, and after school 2:45 to 3:15 on Wednesdays, and that will be in room 217. And then Mrs. Laurie's extra help in the mornings from 7:20 to 7:50 on Mondays and Thursdays, and after school 2:45 to 3:15 on Tuesdays. And Mrs. Laurie's will be in room 107, where the students come in for math class, because she is actually housed in this room as well. Now, when the students come in the morning for extra help, it is important that they make sure that they get a pass for the morning sessions.
We're really good at communicating via email, so you might want to write some of these email addresses down. If we are noticing that extra help's needed, you'll probably be hearing from us. We also send out some emails about the curriculum throughout the year, but you can always reach out to us too. So here's all 4 of the email addresses. Spiro and Kilkenny are both of ours. And then if you're in section 2 and section 4, we have Mrs. Laurie's and Mrs. Hanson's. We're really looking forward to partnering with you this school year, and looking forward to the opportunity to work with your child this year. It's nice to get to meet you via video, and please reach out if you ever have any questions.
Thank you. Looking forward to the year ahead. Bye.